spot here, Yoshi. Spot, dude. I like that spot right here. Wow. Gotta take it back one time. Scrape him up. Whoa, that's it. That's a difficult spot to drive right here. We can do this. Whoa. Alright, so we need some gears here. Oh. Yes, we gotta be careful here, man. Let's see what I can do there. Let's see what we can do. So we're rolling in the rain, and we're trying to get this truck across this trail. Difficult, no doubt. Yeah, don't worry. That's the deal. That's my most difficult spot right here. Alright, there we go. Alright, cool. Nice. Yeah. Alright, we're doing it. Yep, we're doing it. Easy. Oops, easy. Nice and wet. Let's try to back up a little bit. Forward. Okay, there we go. There we go. Alright, we're working it. Yeah, nice. All 4 wheels locked. Gotta be careful here. We don't want to throw it down. Yep. Gonna take up the back wheel. Have the front wheel pull. Let's try it again. Put the back wheel engage. We're doing a 360 here. Wow. That's some difficult driving right here. Backing up a little bit. Okay, there we go. There we go. Wow, this is tough. Wow, we need some help here, it looks like. Alright, let's try it. Let's keep trying it. We can do this. Easy. Take it easy here. Okay. The wood is wet, so we're having a tough time gripping, but we're gonna keep trying. Let's back it up a little bit. Okay. One more right there. Right there. This is crazy, Yoshi. This is the most difficult driving ever. Wow. Not letting me do it, huh? Alright, I'm gonna have to help him right here. It's gonna have to get a defender to help, guys. Whew, that was tough. That was tough right here. Look up front, Yoshi. All the way, it should be from the top. Alright, we're going to the rock boxes. Nice weather in California today. And the defender is doing a great job. Beautiful. All 4 wheels locked. Let's back him up a little bit. There we go. Alright, let's put him lower. Cool. Yeah, we're doing a great job in the wet weather California today. Okay, we're going to put in, take up the back wheel. The front wheel. Let's back it up one. Difficult driving today in the wet weather. Gonna have to back this up. Okay, there we go. And there we go. Pull him up nicely. Alright. Defender is working. iPhone is not